It's March 15, 2024. Welcome to Fishing with CP. I'm Chris Pierce. It is raining in Lake Havasu City, and I don't really care about stuff like that. I'm from Missouri. Rains all the time. I love fishing in the rain as long as there's no wind. And I would not miss out on it's such a different condition than normally here. You know, it's all sunshine and beautiful all the time, that I'm hoping the fish will turn on. Now, you know, pre-front is my favorite time to fish, which is when the storm's rolling in, they turn on. This is steady rain, it's been all night, so it's either going to be on or it's not. But I'm hoping it's on because it's so different than Havasu's used to. So let's go find out. Because if conditions are on, they're moving up right now. Although the water temp's cooled down 4 degrees. But they've been in the toolies. Got me a fish on the crankbait. Slowed it down and imagine it's a largemouth. Little pick me up there. Nice little largemouth start the day. Slowing it down a little bit, messing with the graphs. So he hit that. All right, first fish. So you can see right here what I'm dragging this over. It's all this man-made structure on this great big flat. Let's get another one. Got one. I think it's a good one. Staying down. All right, obviously very happy with that. Good start. Beautiful fish. Drop shot Lake Havasu fish. Caught him right there at the point. Thank you, buddy. Boy, these fish are mean today. Fish number 3. Drop shot again. look at this good looking little guy. Biggest of the day. Fourth fish. Boom. Come on, baby. All right. Another 2-pounder. Come on, drop shot. Number 5. All right, buddy, I'm off the water. It's 11:30. I was, rain, cold, and wind came up, and I caught 7, so it'll be good. It really started raining hard there at the end, but I'm like, why is it so cold? I got in the truck, it's 50 degrees. It was 60 to start the day. So, all right, you guys enjoy the video. Have a great day.